Is Localized Functional Library Manifest Pathing failed due to the Function Library Module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. Before we dive into the Function Library Module manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This is the Function Library Module, a generic naming convention used by several proprietary industrial and scientific applications to house their primary localized mathematical and logical routines. Because it lacks a standardized parent, its absence usually indicates a partial software installation. Without it, the program will crash during the initial logic sequencing phase. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Errors involving Function Library Module DLL typically indicate that the localized functional library manifest files within your application are damaged, so reinstalling the specific software you are using that is throwing the error will refresh the local file tree and restore the module. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Function Library Module component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing Function Library Module DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on Function Library Module. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Function Library Module and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.